The new Ford Explorer is America's all-time best-selling SUV. Dial in one of the available drive modes, and the Explorer thrives on or off the pavement. On the highway, available Ford Blue Cruise lets you go hands-free and enjoy your surroundings. Look around, and you'll see a redesigned interior, immersing you in luxurious materials. And with available front
The Dallas broadcasters are participating in the weekly test of the Dallas Area Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide news and information to the public during the event of an emergency. This is a test. No action is required. This is only a test.